name is Dr. Anna Saylor with Van Every Family Chiropractic Center, and we're going to talk a little bit about KST and get Liz adjusted.
And I'm Liz O'Rourke, and approximately 2 months ago I had a car accident which caused a compression fracture of my L2, and a month ago, just 4 weeks, I had surgery to repair, and I have been coming routinely to Van Every clinic just to have adjustments, and it has worked fantastically. I am doing very well, except now I have pain in my hips, which the surgeon just feels because of the accident that I was walking different, and I've sort of put strain on my hips that I hadn't normally done. So I'm expecting you to
My pleasure. No pressure here, no pressure. Pressure. So basically what we're doing is using KST, which is Core and Specific Technique, to adjust Liz. The really cool thing was, even with the compression fracture, even with the surgery, we could actually still adjust her because the technique is so gentle, and because it uses this handheld tool to actually gently tap the area into place. We could still adjust her. Normally we would have been like, yeah, let's see how you do with surgery, but she actually came through the whole time. She did great. She healed really, really fast, relatively speaking, compared to most patients. Yeah. And she did really, really good. So,
and relatively pain-free.
Which is, for a compression fracture, that's pretty awesome. So let's see what's going on with you today. So we're going to start in her right hip. And we definitely have worked on the area of surgery because of the scar. So we still gently tap into the scar to get the energy flowing, get movement into the area.
Feels good.
Good. I'm going to have you bend forward just a little bit, and then come back up, and then bend forward again. Good. Sit for a few. Make sure we're done. Good job.
Thank you.